Hello guys, and in this video I'm going to be doing slime versus slime and which one should be better, green, and which one should be better to represent Beauclerc, the division at school. So let's see the first one. This one we bought it and it looks really nice. It has a flower in the bottom and some sparkly stuff. We don't put any dyes in it. No one put any dyes in it. It's just the glitter. Just glitter that, it's just really clear slime, but they just put glitter in it and some flower stuffy thingies. And there's a red one. A red flower, which represents Arnold, my old division. And this one is quite satisfying, but I think they added a bit too much borax when they were making it. So I'm not actually sure if it might be better than that one, the one I made, or not. So let's see the good points. The good points are, it is also satisfying. It is green, my favorite color. It has some glitter and stuff like that, but it adds too much borax. So we'll just leave it for now. Okay, on to this one, the one I made. And I do feel that this one might win. You'll find out why. So here is how it looks. It is really stretchy, really satisfying. That one, when you stretch it, it would be like, you can't stretch it that much. It would just like break, like this. There. Because I think there's too much borax. Yeah. So this one, I think it might win. It's more satisfying than that one, and the color, it is darker than the other one. This one, the colors are different, and this one, I don't know, but it's quite sparkly, even though I didn't add any glitter, stuff like that. So nice. It feels really, really nice too. Just the sound. Yeah. That's all. The green slime I've got, but I might get more. These are only 2 out of like 5 or 7. Most of them I made it myself. So, hope you guys like this video, and please comment down below which one you think might win and which one represents my division. Which one is the best one? And please like this video.